1 cup oil, 2 sliced onion, mix. Stain all onion. 750-gram boneless chicken, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon crushed cumin, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 cup yogurt. Mix it well. 1 tablespoon green chillis paste, golden brown onion. Mix it well. Cover it for 1 hour. 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 to 2 bay leaves. Add marinated chicken, 2 sliced tomatoes. Cook it until it's soaked water. 8 glass water, 5 to 6 cardamom, 2 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks, 10 to 12 whole black pepper, 8 to 10 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 to 3 green chili, 2 to 3 tablespoon coriander and mint. Mix. 1 kilogram soaked rice. Mix. Cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. 1 tablespoon vinegar. Mix. Cook until it's soaked water. 1 layer rice, 1 layer chicken, 1 layer rice again, 3 tablespoon milk and saffron. Garnishing with green chili, coriander and mint, and golden brown onion. Cook it for more 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new video.